Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking all about sweeteners. So let's get started with all the information.
Okay, and let's start at Walmart. Walmart usually has this organic coconut sugar. This one is low in glycemic and it's also good for your gut. This one right here is the brand from Walmart. This one is a little bit cheaper. It's about almost $7. And this bag is about 2 pounds. This sugar is a coconut palm sugar. This sugar has zinc, iron, and it's low in glycemic and it's also very good for your gut. I do want to tell you to stay away from cane sugar. Even though it's organic, this one kills your good bacteria. Stevia is a great sugar. This one comes from a green leaf. Stevia comes in a white powder. This one has 0 calories and it has 0 glycemic index. This right here is a stevia. It looks like a white powder. I like to use it for my yogurt bowls. These other sugars are here from Walmart. I'm showing you these ones because this is the ones that we need to avoid. This aisle has different ones and this is the one that I truly want you to get away from. Right now I'm here at Costco. I wanted to show you the monk fruit sweetener. This one is my favorite sweetener. Right here at Costco they have it for $8.79. The color of this monk fruit sweetener is the golden one. This monk fruit sweetener is from another Costco. This is a white one, which is the classic one. The price here at Costco is for $8.49. This one's a little bit cheaper than the golden one. This honey is right here from Costco. This one is a raw honey for the price of $9.99. I truly recommend this honey. This is the raw honey that is made here in the United States. It is very important to always get the raw honey or your local honey. I'm going to go over all of my favorite sugars that I use here in my house. My first one is the stevia in the raw. This one comes in the little packages like this, and I love this one because I use it for my smoothies. It can also be used in your teas or in your coffee or even in your yogurt bowls. This one is one of my favorites. This one is the maple syrup. I usually get this one at Costco. Make sure when you buy maple syrup, it always comes from Canada. And this one is a 100% pure organic maple syrup. This is the honey that I usually buy at Costco. I truly recommend this one. This is the raw unfiltered honey. When I get the honey, I usually look for this symbol right here that is being certified. And usually I always get the one that is from here from the United States, or usually you could also get any of your local honey. These ones right here are the dates. These ones I also get them from Costco, but you could get it anywhere they usually have it at the super markets. And make sure you always get the organic ones. These are the best ones. I usually use dates for my smoothies and I also use them for baking. This sugar has been my all-time favorite. This is the monk fruit sweetener. This one has 0 net carbs, 0 glycemic, 0 calories, and is 1-to-1 sugar replacement. This monk fruit sweetener is the golden brown. I like this one because I use it for teas, coffee, and also for baking. Comment down below what is your favorite sweetener. These sweeteners have been my all-time favorites. I am going to be adding some of my nutritious and healthy recipes here in some of the videos. So until now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!